Hey guys, today I'll be telling you how to verify your Discord account step by step. So, firstly, open your Discord. I have just created my new account. Go to go to settings, then go to account. So, like here, as you can see, I have got this message. Please check your email to verify your account. So, I just have to click on verify and just click on resend email. Okay, now I'll open my email, just refresh it, and I've got this notification, this message from Discord. So just have to click on this Chrome and it'll load up. After loading up, my account will be verified. So let's just load it up. Yes, so my account is now verified. Let me see just again. Yep, now my account is verified. So these are just few simple steps by which you can verify your Discord account. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.